My Mac Talk, how to find downloads on Mac. How to find downloads on your MacBook. It is very simple and some people might find it very obvious as well. The first thing you want to go to do repeat. The first thing you want to do is go to Finder. To go to Finder, you can see on the top repeat. To find repeat. To repeat, you can see the Finder icon on the bottom left side named Finder in blue and white. Click on it, and in the sidebar you can see there is and in the sidebar you can see there are many things, but we also have downloads. Click on downloads and all your downloads will be automatically there. Repeat. Click on downloads and you can see all the download files. Now if you don't see downloads over here, don't worry about it. Go to the top repeat. Go to the top left. You can see in Finder we have view. Click on view and then repeat. If you can't see downloads over here, don't worry. Go to the top left to see file over here, and in file we want to go to अरे यार किधर गया वो repeat. If you can't see a downloads option over here, go to the top left and click on the Finder logo or the Finder name. In Finder, go to settings over here and make sure that downloads is ticked over here. If it isn't, repeat. If it is not ticked, you can see it is going to disappear, and I don't have access or easy access to downloads right now. If I go back and make sure that downloads is selected, it will be available in the sidebar. But if you're looking for downloads in your browser, for example, I go to Safari, you can go to any browser. You can go to किधर गया इसमें किधर होता है भाई वापस So let's say I want to go to Brave browser. You can also do the same thing on Chrome. I'm going to open a new window, and over here go to the 3 lines and then go to downloads right over here. You can also press option command and L to go to downloads, and then you can see all the downloads that are available. So to go to a particular folder or downloaded folder, you can also select show folder and it will take you to the folder in which you have downloaded the file. By default, generally it is in downloads. ये हो गया और क्या था? Apart from that, you can also press command plus space, and then spotlight search is going to come up. Type in downloads over here, and it is going to show you the downloads folder in your Finder. So repeat. Apart from that, you can also press command plus space, type in downloads over here, and you can see it is going to show you the App Store, but the second option is downloads, which is obviously in Finder. Double click on it and it is going to show you the downloads folder. So those are a few ways to find downloads on your browser and on your Finder. Hopefully this video is helpful. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.